Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam Library block screen issue. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what we are going to do is to apply some basic fixes. So to ensure that the block screen issue on Steam isn't just a minor glitch, so first just try these simple fixes. So first, just restart the Steam client and your computer wants to ensure that there are no temporary issues, and then just click 3 times anywhere on the block screen that appears in the Steam. And if you can see it, just click on the friends and chat option in the bottom right corner of the Steam client. And then after doing all of the simple fixes and the problem still persists, what you can do next is to continue watching this video and follow the next steps, which is to ensure your graphics card is working properly. So GPU problems account for most display issues, so therefore before applying other fixes, you should ensure that there is no hardware problem with your graphics card. So does your screen flicker, appear black screen and blurry in other games and software too? Or do you sometimes see horizontal and vertical lines on it? So if so, it is likely your GPU is malfunctioning. So therefore, get it checked by a technician. And before you do that, just update your graphics driver once to roll out software issues. However, if the issue only occurs when opening Steam, just apply the next fix, which is to update the Steam client. So many users have recommended on a Steam community thread that updating the Steam client fixes the issue under discussion. So you should give it a try. So just follow these steps to update the Steam client. So first, just launch the Steam client and then navigate to the Steam tab in the top left corner and click onto the Steam client update. So if the Steam client is already up to date, you'll see a message your Steam client is already up to date. And if the Steam client isn't already updated, just download and install its latest update. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.